In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name without waiting 60 days. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. Then you just want to go ahead and press on your profile. Then you want to go ahead and select on edit profile. Once you're over here, scroll down until you see edit your about info. Then go ahead and press on that. Then all we need to do is we need to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until we see this option that says other names. From here, all you want to do is you want to press on other names, and then all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and enter in the brand new name that you would like changed. So for this example, let's go ahead and work with the name Joseph Liam. So let's say, for example, we wanted to change our name to Joseph Liam. We would need to go ahead and type that in this box over here. And you want to make sure where it says show at top of profile is actually selected. Then once you're done with that, then you want to go ahead and press on save. And now if we go back to our profile and we go ahead and just refresh the page, yep, you'll notice that our nickname will be right over there. All right, guys, the next thing we need to do is we need to actually open up any web browser. So I'm going to be using Google right over here, but essentially what we need to do is we need to log into Facebook on a web browser because these next steps will only work if you're on a web browser, but thankfully you still are able to access it even though you're on a mobile device. All right, so you just want to go ahead and type in facebook.com login, then you want to go to the first option right over here, and then there you go, you should be logged into your account. If you've never done this before, you may need to go ahead and enter in your password. But anyways, guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on these three bars right over here. Then you want to go ahead and press on settings and privacy. Once you're over here, you want to select on settings one more time. Then you want to select on see more in account center towards the top. Go ahead and press on that. And then it is going to go ahead and bring you to a page that looks like this. And you just want to select on profiles. You want to select the profile that you want to change the name on. So again, I'm working with the profile Jake Anderson. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on that. Then from here, you want to go ahead and press on name. And what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on learn more. So you'll notice that over here, there's going to be an option that says learn more. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that. And then once you're here, you just need to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see this option that says changing your names or adding additional name. And once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see this option that says changing your name or adding additional names. Then you're going to notice that there's an option over here that says how to change your name on Facebook. Go ahead and press on that. And then it is going to give you information about how to do this process. But what we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on this let us know option right over here. So underneath, keep in mind, you'll notice that there's going to be a blue link that says let us know. So go ahead and press on that. And then from here, it is now going to ask you to change your name. So you want to go ahead and enter your first name here, then your last name and your middle name if that is optional. And it's also going to inform you that you have the option to upload a government issued ID or other forms ID to help verify your new name. So I recommend that you guys actually do include other documents as well. It will just make the process a little bit easier, but you also want to go ahead and provide your contact email as well. And all you need to do is just submit this form, and then the Facebook support team should get back to you within 24 hours, or sometimes it does take a couple days, but typically it doesn't really take too long. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.